Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and today we're going to check out the Instax Mini Link. Quick unboxing and a look at the app. And it's kind of a successor to the Mini Link Play, if you remember from earlier on this year, which was quite popular. And this comes in dark brown or dark denim, comes in white and pink. So you've got easy printing, continuous high speed printing, motion control and fun app features. So you have your app on Android and iOS, and that's basically it. So we'll talk about this and some of the specs after we take it out of the box. And straight off the bat we get our cable, which is micro USB. You get your instruction booklet here, which you might want to hang on to if you've never ventured into this scene before. And then you get the camera itself. And by the way, these are the films here, which are sold separately, and I'll give you a quick look at them as well, which is why we have them down here. So you have two packages in the box. So something similar to what we have seen before. So this is the unit itself here. So in comparison to size, this is what it's like beside the older Mini Link Play, and this is the blue version. So on the back you've got Fujifilm here, you've got a port here for charging up, as you said, micro USB, and you have your button here which will power it on, and your films will pop out of the top there, and in the back here is where you will drop the films. So pretty simple, nothing too complicated at all, and away you go. So spec wise on this, we have got 3 colour exposure with OLED. We've got the instant mini film, which is sold separately. They come in packs of 10, and image size 62mm by 46, 2.4 inch by 1.8. Supported image size is 800 by 600 dots. Printing resolution is 12.5 dots per millimeter, 318 dpi, and you've printing levels of 256 per colour RGB. So that's pretty much that on the specs list. And printing time will take around 12 seconds, 100 prints from one charge, which is excellent. And charging time will take 80 to 120 minutes. So that's not too bad. And that's pretty much it for spec size, and it supports JPEG, PNG and HEIF, and Bluetooth version 4.2. So onto the app itself, which we will get into. And this is what the app will look like here. So you'll pop open the app and you'll have to give the usual allowances. So your mode change is in the app. I'm just going to dim that screen a little bit so you can see it better. So you'll be able to switch modes. So you have simple print, video print and Instax camera. You have party print, match test, frame print and collage print. And you can print by swiping upward on the frame. And you can print the last photo you printed again by turning the printer upside down, wait for 1 second and pressing the power button, and image data is reset and turned off. So this will print pictures that you already have on your device or pictures you've just took, something similar to the Mini Link Play. So it's pretty simple to use, and that's pretty much it there. So then you connect the device with Bluetooth and away you go, and it should be a painless process, but we're going to go over that in a full review. But this is just a quick first look and unboxing of the latest from Instax and Fujifilm, which is pretty cool. As we said, this is the denim, so it's got that kind of denim colour look. Nice texture too, it's very robust, again like the previous model, and you can feel there is a texture on it there all the way around. And of course it will stand straight up like that, and images pop out here, and that's basically it for now. Any questions, of course, feel free to hit me up on techbuzzurn.com, get us on our social media. And a big thanks to Instax and Elevate for inviting us to the event tonight, and we will see you soon. And don't forget to fire away with any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you in the next one. And thanks for watching.